Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today we're here with young artist, a young upcoming artist. His name is DC Truth. DC Truth linked me on Instagram and said, bro, just drop a song. No say you normally charge for these things, but what can I do for a brother? So I check out his Instagram because I like to do that. A lot of people link me on it, but something just drew me to this guy and said, let me just check out his Instagram. Check out his Instagram. I see that he's somewhere in Africa. So I message him. I said, where are you? Him saying there, Ghana. I say, Ghana. You know what say Jamaican love Ghana, right? And Ghana love Jamaican. So I say, I go react to your song, bro. Just remember say, when time you get big, when time you blow, kick down the door, you owe me. You owe me. Remember say you owe me, yeah? Alright, so I go react to this song. I also tell him in Instagram if it is a shit song, I go tell you say shit. If it's bad, I go big you up. So I have no questions about this song being bad. Cause Ghana have talent, African have talent, and the African the Afrobeats them take over the world place now. So let's see what the G say. His name is DC Truth with a song called Ade Akye. I'm Akye or Akye. I hope I'm getting it right. Ade Akye, featuring Lyrical, MuGaby, and Kelvin. So let's jump straight to that one and hear what the G them say. Big up yourself, my G. Thanks for reaching out. And also, young artists, if you reach out to me and I don't answer right away, it's because I'm really busy or I don't see the message. Because this message came through about a month ago, and I see it last week, and then them say. So I finally get the time now, so I'm reacting. So let's go. I don't listen to the song yet. First time. I'm going in blind. Let's go.
Okay. Charlie, you know be easy. Ade Akye be on in the panel bread. But how you go do on? The sea, young dreamer. Look, 12 a.m. in the morning. Pass to Charlie on the bed. While some people are yawning. By my mind so stressed.
Ooh, drill. I got a drill.
The sea, young dreamer. Look, 12 a.m. in the morning. Pass to Charlie on the bed. While some people are yawning. By my mind so stressed. Friends and family are calling. More than this, me book to my dry Charlie. Me need copy bro shit. My eye red. I never turn me in my shimmy. I 20 panel bring ya me Jimmy. My sweat chain ya me my mystery. My mind is sick like an uncle. How you do on? You see, young dreamer. Look, 12 a.m. in the morning. Pass to Charlie on the bed. While some people are yawning. By my mind so stressed. Friends and family are calling. More than this, me book to my dry Charlie. Me need copy bro shit.
Let's go.
My eye red. I never turn me in my shimmy. I 20 panel bring ya me Jimmy. My sweat chain ya me my mystery. My mind is sick like an uncle. Too many pressure my head to bro. When the money day be my last stop. Me and my boys with the stand to. And yes, you can send me a Charlie. We can't talk. Yeah, die. Ade Akye. Friends and family are calling. More than this, me book to my dry Charlie. Me need copy bro shit. My eye red. I never turn me in my shimmy. I 20 panel bring ya me Jimmy. My sweat chain ya me my mystery. My mind is sick like an uncle. Too many pressure my head to bro. When the money day be my last stop. Me and my boys with the stand to. And yes, you can send me a Charlie. We can't talk. Yeah, die. Ade Akye.
Bombo clat. DC, the sick. You're bad, bro. Remember me tell you owe me, bro. When you get big, like Burna Boy, remember say you owe me. Me want you can just give me half a million pounds. Pounds, me want it to that pounds. Not euro, not dollars, pounds. Yeah, £500,000 when you get bigger. Remember me, boy. That me tell you now.
Pressure my head to bro. When the money day be my last stop. Me and my boys with the stand to. And yes, you can send me a Charlie. We can't talk. Yeah, die. Ade Akye. You need a call. We know the joke. Yeah, you chance to come. Baby, I see can't crash you when you try your baby too.
Yo, the video is simple but effective. The video is so natural. It's like you just wake up and just, you're on the Scarlet Bridge and say, yo, let's do it in my yard. Where everything will go and the close up online. The roof start run. Until them they sit down. Baby, they start chill out and I play with it. You see me?
Yeah, you chance to come. Baby, I see can't crash you when you try your baby too. And we the hope say one day, yeah, we're gonna blow.
Yeah, you're gonna blow, bro.
Die. You need a grow. You know the joke, yeah, you chance to come. Baby, I see can't crash you when you try.
Yo, Ghana's beautiful, bro. Like, Ghana's beautiful, dog. I'm sorry, I'm just taking in the scenery, dog. Like, bro, this is a natural hustle and bustle, bro. Like, look at it. I think this thing here is like a bus park. Is that bus park? Or some type of park where you can see, like, I don't know what it is, but Ghana is quite similar to Jamaica as well, bro.
And we the hopes till one day, yeah, we gonna
Damn you, Susupon. We need you made in my life with the head on. Are you sure? I say make a roll on. Them lucky one, I'm black, Charlie, who I go flex on. Alabama. You won't make us offer. Meaning say you can't see me. If it's a must be a job, you don't see I'm a sinner.
Yeah, you die, yeah, to be. The knee, you know the joke, yeah, you tears the chrome. Baby, I see cannot crash you when it's your baritone. And we the hopes till one day, yeah, we gonna
Damn you, Susupon. We need you made in my life with the head on. Are you sure? I say make a roll on. Them lucky one, I'm black, Charlie, who I go flex on. Alabama. You won't make us offer. Meaning say you can't see me. If it's a must be a job, you don't see I'm a sinner. Link up for the money day. We know they hear delay. We go come, maybe not today. I ain't gonna do slow moves, still hustling. Come in Memphis, cause I'll get the pay. Mini kid, yeah, not my crowd. More money on my mind, though. See, Kaka cram in the beat, your more I be left back like Marcelo. Still got an ego.
Yeah, you die, yeah, to be. The knee up, we know the joke, yeah, you tears the chrome. Baby, I see cannot crash you when it's your baritone. And we the hope say one day, yeah, we gonna blow. You die, yeah, to be. The knee up, we know the joke, yeah, you tears the chrome. Baby, I see cannot crash you when it's your baritone. And we the hope say one day, yeah, we gonna blow.
Ade Akye, and it's a menu, maniate. Or better than social shit. Moko some time here, never does it. We dip on the streets, Mr. MuGaby, I no go surrender, so no retreat. When the money come, we go dress. And it's a menu, maniate. Or better than
Wait, dog. What? Bro. 3 artists so far. Sick. What? That £500,000 that I said earlier on, I thought it's just one artist. No, it's 3 artists. 1.5 million. 1.5 million pounds. So each of you, when time on the blow, 500,000 each. You hear me say? 500,000 each. That make it? How much that make it? 1.5 million. Coming to my bank account. Without fail. That is it now. Let's go.
Baby, I see cannot crash you when it's your baritone. And we the hopes till one day,
we're gonna blow.
and it's a menu, maniate. Or better than social shit. Moko some time here, never does it. We dip on the streets, Mr. MuGaby, I no go surrender, so no retreat. When the money come, we go dress. Here in this car, they so air cash. We go do more, we go talk less. Always at the top, at the top first. My dear more thoughts, somebody shall be done. Me do be cover Tania, you'll see be done.
Yo, I love what the video, like, there's 3 different scenes, and there's 3 artists singing different spot, and I like natural. I like it, bro. Like, in their work, I wash him car, the next week I load the bus, and the next week wake up at time yard, like.
No retreat, when the money come, we go dress. Here in this car, they so air cash. We go do more, we go talk less. Always at the top, at the top first. My dear more thoughts, somebody shall be done. Me do be cover Tania, you'll see be done. Hey, why you the hit on me, me the boca? Always at the hustle, go see, got the cat, we finish me foot. I rap to the world, me moto, hey,
yeah, you die, yeah, to be. The knee up, we know the joke, yeah, you tears the chrome. Baby, I see cannot crash you when it's your baritone. And we the hope say one day, yeah, we gonna blow. You die, yeah, to be. The knee up, we know the joke, yeah, you tears the chrome. Baby, I see cannot crash you when it's your baritone. And we the hope say one day, yeah, we gonna blow. They can't handle the truth. No cap.
Bro. So basically, that's how in a Jamaica we say, yo, one already, 2 and go, one already, let's go. One already, half a chi, turn. Half a chi.
No cap.
Santasi penchitele
Half a chi, turn.
Santasi
Put more.
Santasi ana. Pambo kwa Santasi. Penchitele kwa chibo food.
Yo, bro, you're talented, bro. Like, you're talented, dog. Like, bro, you're talented, fam. 300 talented, like, 3 talented artists, bro. This is sick. Wow. Bro, like, obviously, we get 3 different verses here. I don't know which verse is better, bro. Like, to me, all of them sick, dog. Brother, I'm telling this. Me can't wait for to get big, bro. I'm blow. Cause me need my 1.5 million pound. Me need that. Like, me come a Ghana for that. Myself. On a bad. No job. On a bad. B-A-D bad. Yeah. On a sick. Yo, big up on yourself, bro. Big up on yourself. This is what I'm going to leave that one still. If you enjoy that one and want to see more from it, G, let me know in the comment section and I'll give you more. You understand? This is truth. Pew! Big up yourself, bro. Alright? Peace.